Hey team, in this video we will be analyzing the market for gold and crude oil for 18 till 19th August. So let's begin. Here we have drawn a ascending channel and here we can see some around 19 1977 we can see that the market has break above this resistance zone. However, we have given in signal to go long, go short some around here only and only if we see any reversal signs. However, we do not see any reversal signs, so no sale positions were triggered. However, we were also expecting that the market could retouch this support zone, and we have seen that the market had touched some around here, which was 1929, and then we have seen an bullish move upwards. Here we have also drawn the support zone and a resistance zone, which in previous we can see that the market was in a choppy mood some around this zone, as we can highlight some around here. So we have seen a bullish move upwards. Now coming to the fundamentals, why we have seen this bullish moves upwards is due to the fact that we can see that the US has cut the Hawaii access to the chips. Moreover, we have recently seen that the US dollar has hit some around 2 years low, and moreover we can see the uncertainty increasing amongst the investors as they are expecting more stimulus packages coming out by announced by the government in order to combat the COVID-19 effect on the economy, due to which they are afraid that the value of the dollar would fall or depreciate, due to which they are potentially investing in the safe havens such as gold, which has always gone which have always done good in the times of uncertainty. Thus, I have drawn this support trend line, and here we can see that the market has taken place some around 1936 till some around 1929, and this is the support trend line. Now that we can go for in long, I would not be triggering a long right away at some around 2000. I would be waiting for the market until to touch this support zone. As the market touch this support zone, we would be triggering a long position, and the take profit would be updated. However, the stop losses, our entry trigger point would be somewhere around 1990. Our take profit would be updated later in the video or in my next video. However, our stop losses would be placed some around below the support trend line, which is some around 1963. Moreover, here we can also see that the market is also making an outer ascending channel. This would be the resistance of that channel. Some around here. Let me draw that. We can see that the market has been respecting this resistance zone 2, as we have seen some around 1947 the market retested this resistance, and we have seen a bearish movement in the market again. Some around 1964 we have seen that the market has retested this resistance, and we have seen a bearish move downwards. Now what we can potentially see is that the market currently is heading towards this resistance zone. Thus, after retesting this resistance zone, we would not be triggering any short positions, as we are only and only bullish for the gold. However, we can expect some short term healthy correction, which would be a great opportunity to go long. Thus, we would be analyzing this area, which is some around 2019. Market tested this area, then we can expect the market to rebound from this support trend line. As in the previous, we have seen that the market some around here tested the resistance some around 1947. Then we have seen a healthy correction after an parabolic move. Thus, the same is expected after this parabolic move, testing the resistance some around in a range of some around 2011 till 2020. We can expect a healthy correction retesting this support zone. That would be our entry trigger point, some around 1990, and the stop losses would be placed some around 1963 with our take profit of this above resistance zone. Now coming on the crude oil, here we have drawn an ascending channel some around here. We can see an ascending channel. Then we have also drawn a resistance zone, which we have seen that the market has broken, and we have given a long position or a signal to go long some around $41.84 with our first take profit of this resistance zone, which we have hit just in an hour or so. However, we were expecting the market to bounce some around here. However, we see that the market respected this support trend line, and we have seen a higher high move. Now we can see, let me zoom in so it's more clear. So we can see that the market has break through this resistance trend line which we have drawn, and here the market has, after closing on an bullish or a strong bullish candle, we have seen that the market has break this resistance on a strong bullish candle note. So what we can expect by the market is that we can see that the market is retesting this resistance trend line, turning into an support. Thus that would be our great area to go long. Thus we would be waiting for a potential pullback towards this resistance, and that would be our entry trigger point some around $42.42 till in a range of some around $42.57. Thus we would be taking a long, and our take profit would be some around $43.37. That would be some around like here. Our entry trigger point would be $42.69 with our take profit of recent highs, which would be some around $43.37 with our stop loss just placed below the support trend line, which would be some around $41.75. This trade will give an extra reward of approx 1:1.22. If you like the video, and if you are new to the channel, so do consider subscribing, and if you like the video, do like, share and comment below, and thanks for watching.